Hello, in today's video I'm going to give you a quick tip how to quickly delete your Instagram story. It's a very simple thing to do, so let's just jump into it. Just open up your Instagram, then click on your story right here. And what you want to do actually is click on more real fast before it runs out. As you see, I clicked it, it ran out, minimized. Anyway, just click on this more. And here, in red, you see delete. Just press on that and it will say you can restore unarchived stories for 20 hours or da 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 da. Pretty much, if you change your mind, you can turn it back in, so it's not the end of the world. So just click delete and done. It will delete our story. That's pretty much it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.